Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Sits Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the zigzag eyelet column stitch. Today's stitch is going to be a 4-row repeat and the multiple for this stitch is going to be 6 plus 4. So go ahead and cast on how many ever you would like as long as it is a multiple of 6 plus 4. And we can go ahead and get started on the first row repeat, and I'm going to zoom in real quick so you can see what I'm doing. And we are going to start off with knitting the first 4 stitches. So go ahead and knit the first 4 stitches, and this is the first row repeat. We are going to now yarn over and then do a slip, knit. So slip 2 knitwise and then slip those purlwise back onto your left hand knitting needle and then knit those 2 together. Be careful not to drop that yarn over that we made before the slip knit. And that is the repeat unit until we get to the last 4 stitches. So again, we are going to knit 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and yarn over and then do a slip knit. So slip knitwise, slip the second one knitwise, slip those back onto your left hand needle purlwise, and then knit those 2 together, making sure you don't drop your yarn over. And once you have gotten to the last 4 stitches, we are going to knit those last 4 stitches. For the second row repeat, go ahead and turn your work. And now we are going to purl in each stitch. So go ahead and purl in each stitch. Now once you have gotten all of your purls, you want to make sure that you do have the same amount of stitches that you have casted on. So where I did 16 cast-ons, I should have 16 stitches here. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up this row, and then I will meet you for the third row repeat. For the third row repeat, we are going to start off with a knit 4. And instead of doing a yarn over and a slip knit like we did on the first row repeat, we are going to do a knit 2 together and then a yarn over, and that is going to be our repeating unit. So again, we are going to knit 4, knit 2 together, and then a yarn over until you get to the very last 4 stitches. And once you have made it to the last 4 stitches, you will go ahead and knit those stitches. And that is the 3rd row repeat. And for the 4th row repeat, we are going to turn our work. And again, we are going to purl in each stitch. Again, you want to make sure that you do have the same amount of stitches that you have casted on. Where we are doing yarn overs and 2 togethers, sometimes it is easy to drop or add a stitch. So just making sure that you do have the same amount of stitches that you have casted on. And I'm going to finish up this row real quick. So that is the 4 row repeat for the zigzag columns. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me, which my email will be down in the description box, along with all of my other links. But also feel free to check out my other knitting, crocheting, and Tunisian crocheting tutorials if you would like. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.